Oh, it's too salty.
Seawater contains many dissolved salts like chloride of potassium, magnesium, iodides of potassium, etc. Although the most abundant sea salt is sodium chloride or common salt, sodium chloride is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation.
Without common salt, food doesn't taste good.
Absolutely. Common salt is an important constituent of food and is referred to as table salt. Common salt enriches the flavor of food. It plays an important role in the functioning of our nervous system, the movement of muscles, and in the production of hydrochloric acid in our stomach. It is also used as preservative in pickles, fish, and meat. Sodium chloride is used in the manufacture of soaps. It is used to melt ice that forms on the roads in cold countries. Sodium chloride is used as raw material for the manufacturing of various other useful compounds like sodium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate, and bleaching powder.
What is sodium hydrogen carbonate?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate is produced when a concentrated solution of sodium chloride reacts with ammonia and carbon dioxide.
Is it useful to us in the same way as sodium chloride?
Yes, it is useful in many ways. One example would be that it is an important ingredient in baking.
Yes, I remember. My mother uses it in the kitchen while she bakes a cake, and she also says that it can even neutralize the acid produced in our stomach.
Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid called tartaric acid. Baking soda reacts with the hydrogen ion of tartaric acid and releases carbon dioxide, which bubbles out and helps to raise bread or cake in the process of baking. It is also used as an antacid because, being alkaline, it helps to neutralize the acid of the stomach. Apart from that, it is even used in soda acid fire extinguishers,
Which we usually come across, those in the multi-storied malls.
That's right. Do you know how glass is made?
No idea.
Sodium carbonate is used to manufacture glass.
Sodium carbonate?
Sodium carbonate is obtained by heating sodium hydrogen carbonate and is called anhydrous sodium carbonate or soda ash. The anhydrous sodium carbonate is dissolved in water and recrystallized to sodium carbonate decahydrate.
How is this sodium carbonate useful to us?
Sodium carbonate is used to manufacture cleansing agents, soap, glass, paper, etc. It is also used for removing the permanent hardness of water. It is used to remove the dissolved salts in the water and make the water clean for drinking. It is even used to manufacture sodium compounds like borax, which is used as a cleansing agent.
I love to play with water, but I feel my skin develops some itching sensation when I play in seawater. I wonder why it doesn't happen when I swim in a pool.
The microscopic organisms or small germs present in seawater irritate the skin, whereas the water in a pool is treated with bleaching agents like bleaching powder that kills insects and germs.
Bleaching powder?
Bleaching powder is chemically called as calcium oxychloride, which is obtained by passing chlorine gas through calcium hydroxide.
Great! What else is bleaching powder used for?
It is used to bleach cotton and linen textiles, and to bleach wood pulp, and even used in the manufacture of paper. Bleaching powder is used to disinfect drinking water and make the drinking water clean and safe. What does your mother do when the kitchen drain is blocked?
She uses a drain cleaner to clean the clog.
Did you know the drain cleaner contains sodium hydroxide, which cleans the clog formed in the drain? When the pipe is clogged, it is because of a combination of fats and grease. Cleaners that contain sodium hydroxide, either as a solid or already dissolved in water, converts the fats to soap, which dissolve in water. In addition, when sodium hydroxide dissolves in water, a great deal of heat is given off. This heat helps to melt the clog.